Hey, what up good people? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Sugar Muffin. Alright y'all, so today we have another edition of
Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. A Budget Friendly Friday.
Yes, y'all. Budget Friendly Friday is where I am bringing you or showcasing wigs that are under $25, sis. Yes, we try to find these most affordable units as well because they're getting a little pricey, ain't they? So, anywho, today I have another synthetic wig, and it is actually an Amazon wig. It is this cute highlighted little bob that I'm wearing now. I would normally go through the whole styling process and, you know, how I got here, but this is just one of those wigs where it's just not necessary. Again, this is an Amazon unit, and as you can see, it is this super cute little highlighted bob. Yes, we got another bob. It is bob season. And if you're a fan of bobs, I will be sure to link a playlist of mini bobs that I have reviewed on my channel, so feel free to check those out as well. Now, to be honest, there's really not a whole lot special about this wig other than the highlights. I think that is the highlight of the wig, pun intended. It's just a super cute highlighted bob. Like, that's all I really like are the highlights. But it is a $20 wig on Amazon. It's very silky. It's very wiggy, in my opinion. You know, it had like a little pinch of lace right here, like a little 1.5 to 2 inch piece of lace in the front. For what? I don't know. Like, for what? Like, what'd you even add the lace for is what I'm thinking. Like, stop wasting time. Stop. Why you make me take that little extra step of cutting off a lace? Leave that off. This ain't that kind of wig. I'm just saying, like, some things are just unnecessary. I don't like unnecessary. It's just unnecessary. Anywho, I digress. So, you know, it comes as a middle part. I ain't bother trying to shift her. What's the point? I feel like this is one of those, what I call not a faux scalp, but, because, well, it is a faux scalp. it is, but not the faux scalp that we're kind of used to hearing. It's just a fake plastic scalp. Not a whole huge fan of it, but you can make it look a little more realistic. All I did was add a little knot eraser, which is a lot like concealer, to the parting space, and then I followed that up with some foundation powder. That's really all I did. I didn't do anything to this wig. And I tucked the hair behind my ears because this joint was attacking my face, and I'm not a fan of that. If you let all the hair down, all of it's going to be in your face. And that works my last nerves. And so this is also one of those wigs you can't really brush straight down. So like brushing it straight down disturbs this little curl thing. So it's one of those wigs you gotta brush back, and let it fall forward. You know what I mean? When it does that, just brush it back. It'll fall forward. So you brush back, and it will fall forward. Don't brush it down. That does you no good with this kind of wig because the curls or the bend is just going to start bending in a direction you don't want it to. It was a little humpy up here. I tried to flatten it out as much as possible. My hair is also not the flattest under here either because I've taken out all my braids and because it's time for me to wash my hair. So my hair is a little poofy under here, so it is kind of making the wig look a little poofy also. So you may not have that problem if you have a flat base, unlike me. So this wig is doing a whole lot of shedding, but I expected with this $20 synthetic wig with these kind of fibers. I just expect it. So this is just one of those like wigs I would grab. I need to make a quick run. It's not like my favorite go-to, but you know, she also can serve a cute look at the same time. You know, it's just one of those kind of wigs. I need a quick grab, get out the door. Maybe I'll throw a little cap on, maybe I'll throw a little scarf on, I don't know. But that's what this wig serves for me. I mean, it's a cute look overall, especially with these highlights. Very pretty. But I try to wear her every day. Probably not that kind of wig. So you see how this hair is like hugging my neck a little bit. It was much worse. I mean, it was like way under. So I cut off a lot already. But it's still kind of hugging a little bit. So if you don't like that, you would just simply have to just cut off a little bit more. I cut off some, but I guess not enough apparently. So it's not a whole lot more to say about this wig. Of course, I will leave all of the information down in the description box below on where you can purchase her, as well as all of the specs. By the way, if you watch my videos regularly and there's something you want to know about a wig that I may not have mentioned in the video, I put a lot of information in the description box below. I give you my specs, I give you my rating. I may not verbally say it on camera all the time because, you know, my memory just ain't that swift. But it's usually always in the description box. So always check out the description box. Another thing I just got to do today, you may or may not know, but I am a huge fan of the Notorious B.I.G., aka Biggie Smalls. So that's why I am repping him today, because it's his birthday. Happy birthday, Biggie. Yes, everybody ain't gonna represent you, but I'm gonna represent you today because I am a true fan. I love my Biggie, y'all. Like, I can sit and listen to Biggie all day long. No lie. That's just when we had good hip hop, man. Like, good rap, good lyricist. Maybe I'm getting too old. I don't know. But I don't know what the freak is on the radio now. I'd be like, first of all, I can't even understand the words that are coming out of your mouth. That's how I be feeling when I'm listening. My son be listening. I'd be like, do you even know what they saying? Because I don't even know what they saying. Nuts. Use your vowels. What's that reference? Use your vowels so that I know what you're saying, because I don't. And then it's like, it's like a whole, so annoying. All right, let me get off my soapbox. But sound off in the comments if you a Biggie fan too. If you a fan of the older hip hop, sound off. Come on, sound off down below. I need to know. All right, I'm going to get out y'all hair. I thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me a little pot of honey, golden honey right here, so that I know you made it to the end, Sugar Muffin. And I truly appreciate you for that. If you're not already, make sure you're following me on Instagram. I tend to post a lot of content there as well, and I would just love to see you over there. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I'll be sure to catch you wonderful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.